How to change currency in Shein app. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide on how you can change your currency in Shein application. Now the process is actually quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. Now simply open up your Shein application and here you should get an interface like this. Now make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in here, you can see you'll get an interface like this on the screen, as you can see here. And at the bottom of your screen, you can see various different options. There's shop, category, new, cart, and me option. You want to simply tap on the me option at the bottom right corner of your screen, and once you tap on it, you can see it's a bit congested here. There are various different options and icons, so you might get confused with it. But at the top right corner, you can see the calendar icon there, and you can see the QR code icon there, and you can see the gear icon there. Simply tap on the gear or the settings icon there at the top right corner of your screen, and here you can see address book, manage my account, and under it you can see location, and below you can see currency as well. Now you can simply tap on currency here and you'll be able to change your currency, or if you change your location, if you want to change your location, if you change your particular location here, and once you change your location, your currency will be changed in as well. Now I'll just show you here. For example, now I'll just switch to Australia, and once you switch to Australia, you can see my currency has been changed to Australian dollars. So this way you can change your currency in Shein application. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.